Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will continue with the first chapter of our computer book, Evolution of Computers, Chapter 1, Part 4. Today's video we will discuss the questions raised in the previous session, followed by characteristics of the computers, some of the limitations of computers, and then we will summarize the entire chapter. We will end the session with a short quiz. So, let's begin. The questions which we raised in the last session, the first one was give an example of a supercomputer, and the answer is Cray CS300. The next one, what is the full form of ULSI? And the answer is Ultra Large Scale Integration. Then, what is the main component in the third generation computers? And the answer is the main component in third generation computer is integrated circuit. The last one was identify this picture, and the answer is this is the picture of integrated circuit. Now, let's discuss part 4. Students, let us discuss some of the characteristics of computer. Before that, students, do you know computer is a word which is derived from the verb compute, which means to calculate. However, computers are not just the fast calculators. They can also perform non-arithmetic operations such as copying, moving, comparing, etc. Let us discuss some of the characteristics of the computer. The first one is speed. Computer is a very fast calculating device. It can perform complex calculations at a very high speed. It has the capacity to perform billions of instructions per second. The next one is accuracy. It's a very accurate device. It performs every calculation with the same accuracy. If the data and instructions entered into the computer are correct, then the results will be accurate. Errors occur only if the input given is not correct by the user. The third one is storage. It has the capacity to store large amounts of data. The data stored can be accessed whenever you need it. Fourth one is automatic. No human intervention is required to do the job. It does the things automatically. Then we have diligence. Ability to perform all the operations with the same accuracy. Computer is a machine. It doesn't suffer from tiredness or boredom. Today I'm tired, I'm not going to do the job. This doesn't happen with computer. It's a very diligent device. Even if million instructions are to be performed, it will perform all the instructions with the same accuracy. And the last one we have is versatility. It's a quite efficient device. It can perform different types of job efficiently. They can work different types of data such as graphics, audio, video, text, etc. So these are some of the characteristics of modern computers. So the points which you need to remember regarding the characteristics of computer are the first one is speed, accuracy, storage, automatic, diligence and versatility. Now let us discuss some of the limitations of computer. The first one is lack of decision making. Computer cannot take any decision on its own. It has to be instructed at each and every step. If something unexpected happens, then it will either produce the incorrect result or will not complete the task. Lack of emotions. Computer doesn't have any emotion, it's a machine. The last one is inability to correct. Computer cannot correct instructions by itself. Computer that involve artificial intelligence, they are called expert systems, the one which we discussed during the generations of computer section. So expert system is a computer system that has the decision making ability like humans. So these are the some of the limitations of computer, and you need to remember what are expert system. Computers that involve artificial intelligence are called expert systems. Now let us summarize the entire chapter. We read about the early calculating devices like abacus, first calculating device, early calculating device, Napier bones, invented by John Napier in 1616, Pascaline, first mechanical calculator invented by Blaise Pascal. Then we discussed difference engine invented by Charles Babbage. And then analytical engine, first general purpose computer invented by Charles Babbage. It was the first machine that deserved to be called a computer. Then we discussed about the different generations of computer. First generation main component was vacuum tube. Second generation transistor, faster compared to the first generation computers. Then came the third generation integrated circuit was the main component. Size was further reduced compared to the previous generation. And then we had fourth generation wherein the main component was microprocessor, wherein the entire CPU component was there on the single chip. Fifth generation referred to as supercomputers based on the artificial intelligence. And in today's session, we discussed about the characteristics and limitations of modern computers. Characteristics are speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, versatility. And limitations are lack of decision making, lack of emotions, inability to correct. Students, let's discuss the quiz section. The first question which I have for you is give three characteristics of modern computers. The next one, give two limitations of computers. The next one, what is an expert system? And the last one which I have is, do you think computer is a diligence device? If yes, give reasons. Students, if you know the answers of these questions, please write in the comment section. The answer of these questions we will discuss in our next video. With this, we come to the end of chapter 1. Hope you have enjoyed all the videos and have learned something out of it. Please go through all the videos thoroughly to have a better understanding. I will be uploading the videos on chapter 2 in few days. Till then, bye bye. Take care.